Yes, some people get confused between Jodo Shu and Jodo Shinshu. They sound almost exactly the same, at least to the Westerners. So I know this could be a very sensitive issue, but if you could tell us some of the differences between Jodo Shu and Jodo Shinshu, I think will be helpful for the people who want to learn about this tradition.
Yes. Honen Shonin emphasized the importance of both faith and practice. The same applies to Jodo Shu. Jodo Shinshu says that the direct reason to be born in the Pure Land is by people's faith. Compared with Shinshu, it may seem that Jodo Shu emphasizes practice of Nembutsu more than faith, or that the faith of Jodo Shu is not thorough enough. On the contrary, from the viewpoint of Jodo Shu, we sometimes wonder if we will be able to have such true faith as emphasized by Shinshu. We think that the faith grows together with the practice of Nembutsu. We often say 10 times recitation of Nembutsu together, like this. 道生十年 ナムアミダブナムアミダブナムアミダブナムアミダブナムアミダブナムアミダブナムアミダブナムアミダブナムアミダブツナムアミダブ This is 道生10年 10 times recitation of Nembutsu. All together now. ナムアミダブナムアミダブナムアミダブナムアミダブナムアミダブナムアミダブナムアミダブナムアミダブナムアミダブツナムアミダブ In addition, we chant names together in rhythm with Mokugyo, like this. Namu Amidabu, Namu Amidabu, Namu Amidabu, Namu Amidabu, Namu Amidabu, Namu Amidabu, Namu Amidabu. Jodo Shinshu doesn't do those things. On the other hand, Shinshu emphasizes Buddhist sermon more than Jodo Shu does, because the sermon encourages followers' faith very much. We might say that Jodo Shu walks the path with people together, and on the other hand, Shinshu emphasizes the true faith, the personal religious experience. Another difference between Jodo Shu and Shinshu is echo, transfer of merit. Jodo Shu priests transferred merit of Nembutsu for the repose of dead souls in the memorial service. Jodo Shinshu doesn't do that because they regard the transfer of merit as jiriki practice. I think other different there will be many other differences, but I talked the main difference today.